like in the dark, no voice, no sound. These walls know more than I've let out. Shadows stretch where hope once stood. I'd fix myself if I just could, but I fall through me every time I try to breathe. A silence